What's really good, YouTube? It's your boy Shaka252 back with another video. Installed the Novistretch bra on my 2021 Hellcat Durango. Y'all stay tuned. Here we go, guys. So I actually went ahead and put the bra on the Durango. So Novistretch doesn't have a bra specifically for Durangos. So he pretty much told me to order the Charger, Challenger, Camaro bra and just test fit it and give them feedback. So if you are interested in getting a bra for your Durango, this bra, it works, but it needs to be tweaked. So for example, if you see right here, these strings are so short, it's pulling that little rubber knob, putting a lot of stress on it. This should be a little bit longer. All these little adjustments that need to be made, I've already sent it to Novistretch. I talked to them directly. Just letting them know that this string needs to be a little bit longer, and also the points where you actually attach those snap pieces or the snap screws, they are, let me see if I can get it, is this point and this point. I removed this one, but the hole is too big for those screws that Novistretch provided. So with it being here and here, and they're so close together, when I snap these, you can see it's bunched up. It's all bunched up like this. But the adhesive strip that's on these things, to pull it right under that lip, is really not that good. But for the most part, it covers the nose of the Durango. Not so much for the headlights, but like I said, if you are interested in putting one on, it will work for the time being, because it's just gonna look really bunched up here. I really don't care about that, but as long as it blocks bugs from, I do have it ceramic coated, but still helps out with, if I pull up to a show or a meet, it'll be a little easier for me to clean. But yeah, that's honestly, that's pretty much it. Oh, this is another part. Even here, like on my Charger, this part actually comes to about here, you know what I mean? So when you pop your hood, you can easily hit that latch and pop it up. So this doesn't get caught in the actual bra. I actually have to bring the hood down and then pull that back, like not shut it all the way, and then pull it, and then close it. But yeah, for the most part, it's doing what it's supposed to do. I just gotta put some more adhesive, put my own adhesive on this little strip under the lip right here. But guys, let me know what you think. Like I said, I'm working with Novistretch right now to see if they're actually gonna plan on designing a bra specifically for 2021 Durangos. Because I think my placement of these points right here is because they added this extra lip onto the Durango. So I think that's why it's a little different than like my old Durango. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much all I got for today. I just wanted you guys to check out the bra that I threw on the Durango. Comments, shoot me some comments. Like the video, share, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. All right, peace.
Can't break those cuffs.